Flavio de Silva, the Portuguese speaking striker. Yeah, man, what a debut. I've been waiting for this guy. I don't wanna lie, I'm so happy. He's the only like it is even the man of the match. I don't even wanna like even argue and stuff now. He's the man of the match. Yeah, buddy. 5 games. They didn't concede. Another clean sheet. What days to be like a Kosi fan? I don't wanna lie. What days to be a Kosi fan? I don't know, like because happy is when it's deliver money, happiness after happiness. We're just keeping on like proving them wrong. We're just keeping on like proving them wrong. First of all, we signed Monyani. We're like, nah, it is a free agent. They didn't even know what was actually happening behind the scenes. Ukuthi Monyani uyele want to into renew contracts because they don't pay. Then we're like, nah, in. And then after that, they signed that Baroka Baroka right back le fluke look my bayenzerani yafika uMonyane that is becoming something else. Marco free agent, hey, where we gonna go with a free agent that is not quality in at that time we were speaking about like one of the best left backs there. I think even like the quickest left back in SA. Paseko Marco bathi ngiyabheja ngoMarco. And then look, he comes, he delivers. He's becoming even more better. Maybe he's not becoming more better. He was always like that. But maybe you feel like on a team there which is demanding more and they like there's like opportunity about to show more of his talent. And then they was talking about, hey, Nabi will come back. We're gonna go to default settings, wara. We proved them wrong again. And then they were talking about Flavio Silva. Flavio Silva, the guy that's got his first, I don't know if it was his first touch, first goal, first yellow card somehow, which is diabolical, which is mad. And yeah, man, that day is to be like a Kosi fan. And the only team that is actually like keeping us to not even climb to the top of like the dog is only Skukune. And when we come back, still Anayo, and then it's gonna be Chai. And then it's gonna be child, man. And another thing, we kept proving that I'm just gonna keep on saying, we keeping prove. Hey, you see my English battles. We are keeping on proving them wrong, man. That coach can't like shut up. That coach yaps a lot, man. He was speaking about before the game. He was speaking about Gutinam. His achievements they shouldn't have won. All that. I love the fact that he's humbled. I swear nothing makes me happy to see it. Like, okay, I don't wanna lie to him. Mangoba is one of like best coaches here in Mzansi. I'm a biggest fan of like his type of style where philosophy I actually like his philosophy because like he's a type of coach on a defend and even Nagu Sundowns, which is why he was keeping on. He's the type of coach who likes to attack and get more goals. He isn't satisfied by one goal, which is what I like about him. He is the type of a coach that because make him happy. And yeah, I knew with this game we're gonna be even knitting even though it was a thing of him. Now why are we defending or playing against Golden Arrows? A team that is coached by Mangoba is gonna be attacking, but they didn't have that opportunity. And I just want to say again, I'm happy that he's humble. I'd rather like lose to another coach or concede to another coach or get a draw from another coach because Mangoba has disrespected Kaizer Chiefs so high. For the sake, how could you be saying good? Nah, Kaizer Chiefs didn't deserve to win all those other games. It was a mistake. And who was saying that? Go on the internet and search that thing. Who was saying that statement about Kaizer Chiefs? That time the guy has his own team to run. They're asking him about because he's saying that and like basically it was going to feel like the godfather of the Kosi Nation. And by the way, today I'm not wearing my kit because I was man's in Pashla's and I was like when we were not like scoring, I was like yeah, maybe it is because like I'm not crucified. I'm always crucified by blood. But like my kid, it is like one of my kids will cause. I'm feeling, man. It is this like certain feeling that I don't get. Like, you know, I say like that certain feeling that I don't get. And then yeah, let's get to the game. On the game, I was like, okay, first of all, this is the game which my boy like. Okay, I'm gonna keep on like repeating about Fly with because I'm happy, like debut, and like after all the criticizing, after all like fans they trust on him, and then he delivered, and I believe so. Was like he could have scored like 2 goals today. The only thing that I've noticed about him, the negatives about him, it is that I don't think from like preseason I noticed that which somehow I feel like I got stamina available. And then another thing, when it comes to pressing, he's not that type of a player which like because of press. I feel like you need a players of press get to Nali Shungane, get to Tube. And the only player like Pesel who's like pressing a lot, it is Unto or Shalulile. And then that because I believe also Uban Morris. Morris like is a pressing machine, but the boy doesn't get like Amako's available on him. And then it is great, man, to have like because right now we are having like 6 strikers, and then we can't be complaining about Hamanto, but we're not hitting Amakosa. And then you'll hear some other friends out there speaking about now Lilep. I believe in him, he should be played as a striker. While you have 6 strikers, that means which like you find a play Lilepo on the right wing, left wing, and then also like as a striker. How many positions does this supposed to say? How many positions does this supposed? Which like coach, maybe like selfish. So yeah, let's give the chance time. Also can I see Ikodaro so far like I'm signings it, but I just love the way. Let's give the credits also to the coach and the technical team, the way like they actually introducing our players, because like they're just doing a beautiful job. So yeah, we are all about the positive. Let's keep the one. It is still early, and yeah, we can have a fixing that up. And then another like play about today. I saw some fans they were complaining when they didn't see like Kutabo and stuff. And yeah, Kacheni Boyabinyati Jove number 8. We have a midfielder there, but Fitzgerald, like that guy just control like the game. He's not like I don't think tactical available. He's that good available as Utabo. But if you need a player available who will actually like progress the ball for you, you got him. Because with like Chabakal, he's good. I think Chabakal, even though he's an 8, I believe somehow he's just good as like a 6. But the thing is that also like Unyambos is that Unyambos can mark more. But I believe it's like Chabakal is good as a 6, and then Nukache available because he's the type of a player available who likes to attack. So and today it worked for us. And then yeah, man, and then Utuprez was getting bullied a lot because maybe he's a mobile striker. Agantu uphinda engale kwisajivelele kwi-wing. He's not that type of a striker who's like uzoheader in yabo. And then he gotten like an opportunity also to press, and then yeah, man, I feel like the opportunity there, but actually, I feel like we could have like run like in front of like a defender, and anything based on against defender that just going to be result as a penalty, or like he was going to score, and then he was going to have like a better clear chance about than the one that level I told available, which is why they got in like Trevor Silva because our defenders couldn't like bully him. We bring a different quality. And yeah, man, I'm just so hip. I can't even like think over to describe it. Okay, also with the we golden arrows, I just need to give like credit to that guy Ubanuka Chain Golden Arrows. He was something else. He was giving us a lot of problems. Let's say Gama Kopatingtini. Umapensela uthi ngiyabheja ngomaka, and also ngithi nami ngiyabheja ngomaka because Marco was keeping well. But even though he was getting more successful dribbles somehow, but yeah, Marco tried his best. Monyane tried his best. Actually, the whole team today tried their best. In first half, we were showing we wanted it more. We had like 12 attempts for 4 shots on targets, 3 or 4. I'm not sure. And then Golden Arrows, they're just having 4 attempts. But about we're having 12 attempts. So yeah, man, this is the first video. And danko.